So what's up guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this class we will see how to make use of the paginator. Okay, so paginator is nothing but it is used to propagate from one place to from one page to another page inside of a website. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. First of all, I will create one division, and this division will have class, and I will call this as a paginator, and inside of this division I will put some anchor tags. So I will say anchor tag 1, and I will give some value. I will say this is my first page. Okay, so if I want to go to the first page, I will give as 1, and then again I will make another anchor tag and 2, value as 2. I will give another anchor tag and I will give the value as 3. And if suppose I want to go to the fourth page, I will give number 4 here. Okay, and inside of this href tag I will give the xtag, which basically means the home, and it will be propagating me to that very same page. Over here you can give the link of your web pages. Okay, but let's see how we can do that. So I will save this, and let's see what output I'm getting. I'll come over here and I will execute this page. So I'm getting this 4 numbers, which is 1 2 3 4, and they got underlined. So I will come to the style tag and I will say dot paginator, and inside of this I will give the first property, which is display inline. Let's see whether display inline is working. I will display this in a block format. Okay, so this is working, and next property that I'll be giving is text decoration. Okay, and I don't want this underlined beneath these numbers, so I will come over here and I will apply that on this anchor tag, and this anchor tag are inside inside of this class paginator. So I will say dot paginator, then the anchor tag. Okay, so this is how these properties are working. Okay, so since this anchor tags are inside of this division named class paginator, so I will give the that class name and then the name of this anchor tag. Okay, and I don't want this underlines beneath this number, so I will say text decoration, and I will give the value as none. I will save this. I'll come over here and refresh. Okay, so now there's underlines are gone, and now I will give the font size. I will increase the font size little bit. I will say 10 pixels. I just want to show you all how this is looking. Okay, 100. Okay, so now this looks a little bit good, but let me just change this to 80, and this will be the font size. And after that, next property that I want to give on them is padding. Okay, so I want a little bit of padding, so I will give 5 pixel of padding. I will save this. Let's see what output we're getting. Okay, so this much is enough, and I will change the color. I will say color as yellow green as always. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, so now I'll give them the border. Okay, so I will say border, and I want my border to solid, and let's see what we are getting over here. Okay, so we are getting this border for all these numbers, but I don't want that border to be that thick. I will say 2 pixels. 2 pixels of size is more than enough. Okay, so this looks much better, and I will give little bit of margin also. Okay, so margin is space in between of these numbers, and I will give the margin as 2 pixels over again, and now I'll be getting 2 pixels of space between all these elements. Okay, so now there is a little bit of spacing. Okay, so now let me show you how to give the left and the right link over here. I will make use of the anchor tag, and I will put a code inside of this, which is ampersand, then LAQUO, and semicolon, and I'll come over here. I'll give the anchor tag, and I will say ampersand Rakuyo and semicolon. Let me just save this and refresh this page. Okay, so this is a kind of a paginator that you see on the website at the bottom position and all. So basically this is used to navigate from one page to another. You can make use of this to navigate from one place to another. So you just have to come over here, and if suppose you want to go to page 1, you just have to say home.html over here, and whatever page that you want to go to, you just have to give the link of that image, the link of that page, sorry. If suppose I want to go to Google, I will say Google, and let me just copy the link of Google over here. So basically this is the link of the Google. I'll copy this, and I'll paste that link over here inside of this tab, and whenever I'll be clicking on this number 1, I'll be taken to the Google website. I will save this. I'll come to my page, and I will refresh my page, and if I'm just clicking on this one, I'll be taken to the Google. Okay, so this is how things are working. And now if I'm just copying this and pasting this over here, and now I want to go to Instagram. When person will be clicking on this number 2, now I'll be taken to the Instagram. Okay, so this is how you can provide the links of the website pages to go to those particular pages with the help of the paginator. Okay, so thanks for watching. This was all about the paginator.